This is an elevator at UF Parking Garage 9 in Gainesville, Florida. It's a Dover. We're gonna go up to 5. Dover traditional. This is elevator number 3. We're at 5. There's 2 more elevators on the opposite side that I believe are Montgomery Kone. We're gonna go down to 1. It's a nice bell. Here's your cab view. There's your, can we open the emergency phone? I don't know. There it is. Can't really shut it. Or no, I guess you can. Actually, we're gonna get a quick look up the elevator shaft. Pretty nice view. So if we're going to 5. This time we're going to stand towards the front of the cab and watch the view. Also, you can get a good view from this point right over there. I'm gonna call the elevator so it doesn't leave us. I don't know how good of a view you can get, but that parking garage right there that's only 3 stories has that stairwell up there that's 5 stories. I did film the elevators over there, so I'll link that video in the description. There it goes. And that's it.